Now in this video we're going to now start working with our favorites. Here on the right, when you click, we want to start adding our favorited posts just by toggling this button. So before we do that, we have to install a package by Overture again. So we can just go to Google, here type, like hopefully you get landed on this first GitHub link page. So you click here. So here when you land on this GitHub page, down here, we can review this package later. For now, let's just copy this command, Overture, composer require Overture Laravel favorites. Here in the terminal, open the new interface. Let's paste that. Let's install the package via composer. Alright, after that is done, we can now go back and here let's copy this command so we can publish our configuration and migrations. So here, paste that. Alright, now our migration has been added in our configuration. For now, we have to add traits here, as you can see. For the user or the one who's favoriting, we can add favoriter, and for the favoritable, like the post which has been favorited, we can add favoritable because it's polymorphic, it's using favoritables. So real quick, in the users model, let's go add this trait. In here, user. In here, after like, let's add this one. After adding this use, now let's go ahead and copy this one. Alright, awesome. Now, let's also add the same for our post. So here, copy use favoritable. Let's open our post. Paste that. Let's go back. Let's copy this path. Alright, now this is it for this package, and now let's just go ahead and migrate our table. So here, just type php artisan migrate. Amazing. Now our favorites table has been migrated. So that's it. In our next video, we're now going to start working on toggling a favoritable. Here when you click like that. So keep this page open because we're going to use this API for here, toggle favorite or favorite, for us to work with our posts. So see you in the next video.